Ladies and gentlemen, Lufthansa flight for 57 bound for Frankfurt is now boarding at gate 153. Boarding will be commenced in groups starting from the rear to the front, including the upper deck. Priorities will start boarding first. Thank you.
Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, der Lufthansa-Flug 457 nach Frankfurt beginnt nun am Gate 153 mit dem Boarding. Das Boarding erfolgt gruppenweise von hinten nach vorn, einschließlich des Oberdecks. Passagiere mit Prioritätsstatus haben Vorrang. Vielen Dank.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Lufthansa Flight 457 bound for Frankfurt. The flight time is 10 hours and 55 minutes with a cruising altitude of 37,000 feet with cloudy skies on departure and clear on arrival. Departure time is estimated at around 3:05 p.m. local time. Thank you for choosing Lufthansa, the member of Star Alliance.
Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, herzlich willkommen an Bord von Lufthansa Flug 457 nach Frankfurt. Die Flugzeit beträgt 10 Stunden und 55 Minuten bei einer Reiseflughöhe von 37.000 Fuß. Der Himmel ist beim Abflug bewölkt und bei der Ankunft klar. Die voraussichtliche Abflugzeit ist gegen 15:05 Uhr Ortszeit. Vielen Dank, dass Sie sich für Lufthansa, Mitglied der Star Alliance, entschieden haben.
Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign is switched off. Remember to keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight even when the seatbelt sign is turned off, in case of unexpected turbulence. Thank you.
Meine Damen und Herren, das Anschnallzeichen ist erloschen. Bitte denken Sie daran, Ihren Sicherheitsgurt während des gesamten Fluges angelegt zu lassen, auch wenn das Anschnallzeichen erloschen ist, falls es zu unerwarteten Turbulenzen kommen sollte. Vielen Dank.
Excuse me, Mother, can I sit with Flash and Track?
Yes, Nico. You can sit with your friends.
Don't worry, I will be right back when we land since I sit in the window seat.
Make sure to come back if it's mealtime or landing.
Anytime, Mother. Hey, Flash and Track. Yes, Nico?
Yes, Flash.
I will be sitting with you guys. Yes, you can.
Hey Nico. Nice to sit with us to enjoy our quality time.
Your pleasure, Track. I can't believe that we're on the Boeing 747 flight together with me and Flash.
It's my favorite airplane, the Boeing 747-8 Intercontinental.
Me too, the Boeing 747 is my second favorite airplane, especially the 400 variant. Not only the Airbus A380-800 that we like together. That's good, Nico. You are getting knowledge on aviation and also other vehicles. Anyways, my favorite variant of the Boeing 747 is -8 Intercontinental. That is the extended upper deck.
Also cars, buses, helicopters and ships.
I tried the Airbus A380 upper deck and also the Boeing 747 rarely. Me too also. I like the upper deck of the Airbus A380 and Boeing 747, especially like the double-decker bus.
I mostly ride it in the main deck of the Boeing 747 because most of the upper decks are like business class.
Us too. Getting the upper deck is way too costly.
I wish I could ride in the upper deck cabin of the Boeing 747. It should be economy class with affordable seats.
Anyways guys, once we get to Frankfurt, we will see lots of Lufthansa Boeing 747s there in that airport. Good idea. We will be there soon. The Airbus A380 airplane there that we'll see. I almost forgot. We will ride the Airbus A380 again soon together.
I know of that.
We have continuation of our flight school for continuation of being a commercial pilot soon. We're in the same year level guys since high school until we graduated.
We also have part-time jobs.
Since flying cannot be every day. That's right. By the way guys, we're staying in Germany for 1 week.
Frankfurt and Munich are the places where we will go.
We will look our itineraries for the following days that include the Airplane Museum in Lufthansa and Car Museum in Munich. Of course, we can look at other landmarks, not only our plan. That's true, obviously. Nico, do you have anything to say? Yes, last April 2024. We went to France for the vacation riding the Airbus A380. That was so fun. Then I was in the window seat and you behind me. It was the Air French. That we stayed on the duo seating. From Los Angeles to Paris flight before exploring somewhere else. Like Paris, Toulouse, and Lourdes. I stayed there for 2 weeks and I enjoyed it. We enjoyed there is the Airbus Museum in Disneyland Paris, the attractions we like the most. Our favorite attractions. We even see the Airbus A380 airplane there that we went inside and other airplanes. We were together. It was a best part for us since we like the Airbus A380. This is why we explore there. We like the main and upper deck of the Airbus A380. Including the cockpit that is in the main deck, not upper deck. Same thing together. Flash, do you want to play Racing Mania together? Yes, we should before our meal and landing soon. I will pick the royal blue car. I will also pick the navy blue car.
Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign is switched on for landing. Remember to keep your seatbelt fastened, seat back on upright, window shades raised, tray table stowed and armrests down. Thank you.
Meine Damen und Herren, das Anschnallzeichen leuchtet für die Landung. Bitte denken Sie daran, Ihren Sicherheitsgurt angelegt zu lassen, die Rückenlehne aufrecht zu stellen, die Jalousien hochzuziehen, den Klapptisch eingeklappt und die Armlehnen herunterzuklappen. Vielen Dank.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just arrived at Frankfurt in Maine and the local time is 11 a.m. with clear skies. Passengers arriving in Frankfurt will have to go to customs first and claim your luggage on the designated carousel. Thank you for riding Lufthansa, the member of Star Alliance, and we wish to welcome you again soon.
Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, wir sind soeben in Frankfurt am Main gelandet. Es ist 11 Uhr Ortszeit bei strahlend blauem Himmel. Ankommende Passagiere in Frankfurt werden gebeten, sich zunächst durch die Zollkontrolle zu begeben und ihr Gepäck am dafür vorgesehenen Gepäckband abzuholen. Vielen Dank, dass Sie mit Lufthansa, einem Mitglied der Star Alliance, geflogen sind. Wir freuen uns, Sie bald wieder bei uns begrüßen zu dürfen.